Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful tutorial that'll show you exactly how to add the Nasdaq index to your Tradingview chart. Whether you're just starting out with Tradingview or you want to make sure your watch list is complete with all the essential tickers, by the end of this step-by-step guide, you'll know exactly how to keep the Nasdaq right at your fingertips. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up Tradingview in your browser. Now, if you're new to Tradingview, remember, this platform is popular with traders all around the world because it lets you view and analyze literally thousands of stocks, indices, and more. So make sure you're logged into your account so all your changes are saved. If you aren't logged in, you might have to repeat these steps next time. Once you're on the homepage, look up towards the very top of the screen. You're going to see a menu bar there. What you want to do is find the tab that says Products. This menu is your gateway to all the different tools and features Tradingview has to offer. Give that a click. Don't worry if you don't spot it right away. Sometimes it's tucked between other tabs like Chart or Screeners, so just scan the top row. Now from here, let's direct our attention over to the right side of your screen. You'll spot the watchlist area. That's the panel where you keep track of all the different securities you want to monitor. It's kind of like having your favorite ingredients lined up on your kitchen counter, ready to go whenever you need them. On the watch list, look for the small plus sign. It's usually right above your list of symbols. Go ahead and click that little plus. What you're doing here is telling Tradingview, hey, I want to add something new to this list. A search bar is going to pop up. In that bar, type Nasdaq. Now you might see a couple options show up there, so take a second to look for the one labeled Nasdaq Composite Index, or maybe it says Nasdaq IXIC, that's the ticker for the composite. If you're not sure which one to pick, just remember you're looking for the big primary Nasdaq index, not a specific company stock or ETF with Nasdaq in its name. Once you found it, you'll see another plus symbol right next to it. Click that to add it to your watch list. That's it, you've just added Nasdaq to your lineup. But before we finish, make sure you actually see Nasdaq appear in your list. Sometimes, if your list is long, it might be hiding at the bottom. Scroll down to the end of the watch list and give Nasdaq a click. This tells Tradingview to pull up the Nasdaq chart so you can view the price action, set alerts, or start your analysis. If you don't see it at first, give it a moment to refresh. And don't worry, it's normal for these little details to take a few seconds. And just like that, you're all set. Now you've got the Nasdaq index ready to monitor anytime you want, right inside Tradingview. If you found this tutorial useful, let me know by tapping the like button. Got questions, or is something still tripping you up? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, tips, and guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.